Ladies and gentlemen, back to back, Bob, we're doing this together. Ladies and gentlemen, she's big. Yeah. She's my sister. Yeah. One fact you don't know about this woman, myself and her husband worked together as colleagues in Stanbic IBTC Bank back then in 2014-15. We are family. Yeah. I knew her before the fame. That is why when I call her, she will answer me.
You will give her
She has traveled far and wide. Ladies and gentlemen, for my sister and my sister-in-law. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for real Warri Pikin!
Worry. Worry. Oh yeah, worry. Worry. Old worry. New worry. Old money. Abuja, where did they play? Thank you for clapping. You will not suffer waist pain. Now me they call, I don't want clap. Abuja, now don't really see me finish it. Okay, MC. Mona behave now. MC Papi. See the way you introduce me. It's just clear say you not plan to pay me. Which one be she has traveled far and wide? She's my sister. He can't even bring my husband enter say they work for Stanbic. Who asked you? My brother, you go still pay me, oh. You know, yeah. Head
nah, see who go pay you there.
Head go born, no fish for stew. Best the hustle. Now this year, 2024, the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote, cried this year. If Aliko can cry, who am I? Who am I? This country now, everywhere ad like Brocos. Brocos not ad. You know they get erection. What's that one, prick? Who are you? Once they wear beret now, so which of the court you join? Before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you. Not really easy for this country where we say you get the way it day, but you go bring your hard-earned money, buy tickets, come show. This one don't pass say you want to enjoy. This one I say when I support the comedy industry. Thank you very much. On behalf of the comedy industry, I want to say thank you. It's not easy. Next Saturday now, next Sunday, we'll still do show. Now make our thought say the children of Israelites need to apologize to Pharaoh. Yes, now because what they see, not rich what they see here now. Chicken Republic now don't they say goat meat. Hunger in the land. Now because they beg everybody, mind where you keep your organ. Get whenever shop 5 days, you go put prick for your mat. Now suya na. When I take risk, but I want to ask a question. How far wiki? How are we feeling wiki in this FCT? Not be somebody how they see you. I think before Wike became FCT in Abuja, we supposed to go Port Harcourt, go do master class. How they do one. They were with Wike for 8 years. Wike, the day when he just become FCT, he enter Abuja, my POP4. We dey use Emmet sleep. POP4. Now, if you want to use Google Map, come and ask now, go carry reach police station. GPROS now, no they work. Wike go just use 2 roundabout for 3 roundabout for 1 road. Fly over everywhere. Nigeria never even released budget. It don't commission 13 flyover. Wike 001. Now they celebrate him, that man, na self-engineer. That is speech immediately do that press conference when they make a FCT when it start. It will go down. If you build where you're not supposed to build it, what? Nothing no say wahala.com. No be joke this generation. My son see me reach, they say, Mommy, you have anger issues. When we sumo your mama, they follow you to talk. Can you look at her in the face? Our parents need to apologize to us because we are better children. My son will say, Mommy, you need therapy. Wow. That time when we sumo, if they break our hearts, they cry for inside, they'll still call you when you go wash plates. They'll still call you when you go on gen. But the worst one when they come up now, this one they call Gen Alpha. This Gen Z, they're good now. This Gen Alpha, they come with arm, on, teeth, fangs. These ones, we need people to help us. When they study human anatomy, maybe they go study this new generation where they come. I don't try my best as mama. I wanted to one. One of the hardest things. Slicky, I don't really blame you now. If you cannot respect me, you cannot respect what I'm carrying. You know they see what I carry. I'll be your eye wear bosses. This now waste where we say before they climb and they'll use ladder. Slicky. You just call MC Papi. Papi, you know yes, they say me will not they beg for stage. You they beg money for stage.
Now stage be this. This will not be stage.
Shut up your mouth. When you climb stage, you know also money.
But nah, Dan I did now. No, there's somebody that they beg for Dan. They say for stage.
You know they respect basket matter. They don't want us. Slicky, have fun now. You get my hope pay normally now. Yes, now I turn and winch now. Skywise. Not be smart you do. You can help only man. Bash C list go come out to go find your name for that. So some men you dey help. This Skywise, I don't know assist. That I want never make kind. Get one get that I go one they one kind depth. One get cut me say get one man where they help. Make I go meet her when I go meet her. That be smart you do me. You need to do at least clean that memory. Now even 2 million me they dash me you. What did they do when you get that person 4 million? That person dance reach me. You don't see me the dance. Make her dance. You don't see me finish. If I be your wife, person tell me dance for you collect money, go like her. Person like you, I shall go walk away before you pay more. Person like Skywise, he go, the Ashawo go give blow job. So make her dance. You don't just say, after that time when you just make her just give you something. Yeah, you. Skywise be like who don't block me for WhatsApp, sef. He get one event where Skywise invite me because you give me one small money, you might follow up. Oh. I'm not going to attend the event because the way Skywise says send the money back. I will not like my spec. Who you really they like? When I'm big, you not like me. I don't lose weight. What do you want? Hey? But shout out to Pelumi, shout out to Olorowa. These are people that even though say you won't do show. Because that time when I do my first show, I had to join Tinder to set table. Don't be joko. Comedy for woman, not easy for I joined Tinder. When you come book me, once I reach your hotel room, I'll give you ticket. Either you buy ticket or I'll call your wife. Now so I set table, but shout out to all these men, all these one they tell me, say, where are you? Bring your ticket. I almost do hook up. So Skywise at all because at the end of the day, this one no go pay me and no. The way you say, hey, Jesus. You go pick and you go pick this money. Make I send you message. Bring her. Any small thing. Lifestyle king. Cigar where you owed it last year, you never light them.
You know when I go light this cigar? Now, if I see sponsor, you give me 100 million, I will light them.
You they look down on all these men? How much is $100 million?
Point one person will give me here.
That, wow.
Apart from Vodi and Skywise and BMU, point another person. Balance. I bet.
The man be this.
In a day.
Wait, balance.
I balance in a day, boy. Don't worry.
I never really see him, but I don't hear about him. I'm doing my show. Where you wife?
Everybody here now balance it.
Oh, I celebrate you.
Now the man we put a balance for secondary school be this.
Oh, not be this. Sir, you will never suffer waist pain. I like a civil servant shoe. No, not the man. The man that they hear that name. My husband always that they hear that name. Very successful man. Successful ritual. Sorry, successful.
Abalanze, now only Abalanze alert. Now they call that alert. Where Abalanze transfer money, others go they pay.
Oh, phone go call off.
The money na magnet.
I they test you.
If Abalanze.
Still the way you judge people money, where your own. When will you make it, MC Papi? When will you make it? Now, person money they say they bring a lot. When will your own bring other people? Don't they touch me?
This is what you do. Talk about this man shoe. We need to do something.
No civil service. No.
Hold on. I want to dedicate a song to you, sir, to honor you. She cannot talk about your shoe. I will not honor you. DJ, a song for Daddy.
Solidarity forever.
Remember your days in NLC, sir.
Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. Daddy, you don't say you don't fight for a number.
Daddy, you know what will happen? You send me your account number, let me debit you.
Share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.